Question number 5 from the homework asks how many calories are in 1001 kilojoules given that 1 calorie is 4.18 joules. So this requires us to do 2 conversions. The first conversion, I have to go from kilojoules to joules, and then once I know my answer in joules, I can convert joules to calories using that conversion. That 1 calorie is 4.18 joules. So taking a look at those steps, right? Our first step, I've got 1001 kilojoules, and I know for every 1 kilojoule, I have 1,000 joules. So I multiply 1001 by 1,000, right? And I get 1.001 times 10 to the 6 joules. So that's step 1. Step 2 is using that conversion factor. Okay, 1.001 times 10 to the 6 joules. And I know for every 4.18 joules, I have 1 calorie. So joules cancel out when I divide by 4.18, and I get approximately 2.3947 times 10 to the 5th calories. I think this question also asked, or someone that asked this question asked for significant figures. This is a conversion factor, so that does not play a role in our significant figures because this is our conversion factor. We're all using the same relationship. 1 calorie is 4.18 joules. Our significant figures would come from this right here. We measure 1001 kilojoules. So that's 4 significant figures. That means I would report the answer to 4 significant figures, so I'm going to drop everything after the 4. I'm dropping a 7, so I would round this up, 2.395 times 10 to the 5th calories to 4 significant figures.